10 Best Gluten-Free Diet Meal Plans for Weight Loss. Adopting a gluten-free diet can aid weight loss and improve health. Here are 10 practical and effective meal plans tailored for weight management. 1. Mediterranean Plan. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries. Lunch, quinoa salad with tomatoes and feta. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. 2. Paleo Plan. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach. Lunch, grilled chicken with mixed greens. Dinner, baked cod with broccoli and sweet potatoes. 3. Vegan Plan. Breakfast, chia seed pudding with fruit. Lunch, lentil soup with gluten-free bread. Dinner, stuffed peppers with quinoa and black beans. 4. High Protein Plan. Breakfast, cottage cheese with almonds. Lunch, turkey lettuce wraps. Dinner, grilled shrimp with quinoa and salad. 5. Low Carb Plan. Breakfast, omelette with vegetables. Lunch, Caesar salad with gluten-free croutons. Dinner, beef stir-fry with cauliflower rice. 6. Raw Plan. Breakfast, green smoothie. Lunch, raw vegetable sushi rolls. Dinner, zucchini noodles with raw tomato sauce. 7. Keto Plan. Breakfast, avocado and egg bowl. Lunch, Cobb salad with bacon and avocado. Dinner, baked chicken thighs with asparagus. 8. Anti-inflammatory Plan. Breakfast, smoothie with turmeric. Lunch, salmon salad with anti-inflammatory dressing. Dinner, lentil stew with carrots. 9. Balanced Plan. Breakfast, oatmeal with chia seeds. Lunch, chicken quinoa bowl. Dinner, baked tofu with spinach. 10. Detoxifying Plan. Breakfast, lemon water and kale smoothie. Lunch, quinoa salad with avocado. Dinner, steamed fish with cabbage slaw. These plans offer diverse options to suit various tastes and support weight loss effectively. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.